When we hear net zero carbon emissions, most people think it's just a buzzword, but it's much more than that. It's the defining challenge of our generation, and it could decide the future of our planet. Before we start, hit like and subscribe so more people can understand what net zero really means. So what does net zero carbon emissions actually mean? At its core, net zero means that the amount of carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere is balanced by the amount we remove. You stop adding new CO2 and you pull back as much as you've already added. This doesn't happen by magic. It happens through innovation, policy, and collective action. We generate carbon emissions through everyday activities, burning fossil fuels for electricity, driving cars, heating buildings, and producing goods. Net zero demands we cut these emissions as close to zero as possible. But because some emissions are unavoidable, we also need to remove carbon through forests, soil, and technologies like carbon capture and storage. Here's why net zero matters. Carbon dioxide is a heat-trapping gas. The more of it in the atmosphere, the hotter our planet becomes. Rising temperatures mean melting ice caps, rising seas, stronger storms, and disrupted ecosystems. If we don't achieve net zero soon, average global temperatures could rise beyond the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold, a point scientists warn could trigger catastrophic climate impacts. Reaching net zero isn't easy. It requires transforming energy systems, switching from coal and oil to renewables like wind and solar, and deploying cleaner transport and industrial processes. It also requires protecting and restoring natural carbon sinks, forests, peatlands, and oceans because they are nature's own carbon storage. But net zero is not only about restrictions, it's also about opportunity, jobs in clean energy, healthier air, and sustainable economies. Many countries and companies have already pledged net zero targets by 2050. But pledges alone aren't enough. Action must follow. Policy changes, local implementation, and real investments. Net zero isn't a distant dream. It's a roadmap that shows how humanity can live within the limits of our planet while still thriving. If this video helped you understand what net zero carbon emissions really means, share it with someone curious about climate solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video where we break down the 5 technologies making net zero possible.